اس کا منہ اس طرح کر رہا ہے جیسے ہر وقت شہباز شریف کو بنا ہوا ہے.
I have been to Turkey frequently and many times. I've been a student of the Turkish history and I have always adored Turkish people for their elegance, for their bravery, for being the rulers of half of the world. The Turkey history has produced some very prominent political and historical figures. We see that there was a time when Selfie was the first Turkish dynasty which commenced its ruling half of the Mesopotamia, these days Afghanistan. The first ruler was Chaudhry Bey and his brother, who was succeeded by Al-Arsalan. Al-Arsalan was the first Muslim ruler who defeated the Romans in the Battle of Manzikert. Then we see many other Turkish dynasties, like we have heard Salahuddin Ayyubi. Salahuddin Ayyubi was a Kurd, but the lands he occupied and the heritage he inherited was of Turkish. Like if we say, for example, Nuruddin Zaki. Then comes the Ottomans who ruled the world for about more than 650 years. And now we see a modern Turkey after the fall of the Ottoman Empire. Sultan Abdul II was the last ruler. And then come the modern Turkey, which was founded by the modern Turkey founder Atatürk. And Mr. Anas is from area that is called Anatolia. Antalya in Turkish. Let me explain. Turkey is in two parts. One is in Asia, the other part is in Europe. The European part of Turkey is called Thrace, and the Asian part of Turkey is called Asia Minor. Asia Minor, we call it Anatolia, and in Urdu we call it Asia Kuchak. Anyhow, the Arab group, who they both represent, they have started their operations in Pakistan, and what they are saying, that is pretty interesting. I told them that if I knew that this material is available in Islamabad or in Pakistan, I would have definitely gone for your doors, your window panes, your vinyl flooring, and the other material, including the locks, the handles, which is a hardware stuff. And why? Number one, we need to have calmness in our rooms. So they produce soundproof doors, windows, and if you are living in an apartment building, so there is a curtain height. Having the soundproof doors, windows, window panels, that in fact stops any kind of noise reaching your premises. Secondly, this was told is in the briefing that it reduces heat intake. So there is a curtain height. Having the soundproof doors, windows, window panels, that in fact stops any kind of noise reaching your premises. Secondly, this was told is in the briefing that it reduces So, in a hot weather country like Pakistan, particularly in hard areas, these doors, these windows and these glasses, they considerably reduces heat wave or heat breaking into the houses through the glass panels. They, in their premises, I was told, they have been exporting from Turkey the material to 96 countries. How much? 91 countries. So Pakistan is a very great lesson for us. They have been producing their material and have been bringing dividends, money to their homeland for the Turkish people. They are selling their commodity in 91 countries, from Australia to Andhras. And this way they have been in fact enriching Turkey, serving their people. I wish Pakistan would have a single such commercial enterprise where we could boast that this firm or this manufacturer is importing their material to at least 1,000 countries. Unfortunately, we don't have. Anyhow, I'm here. I was invited by the local friend, but let me say that the Turkish people, Pakistanis have always loved Turkish people. We share many things, like if you hear Turkish words, so our language Urdu is in fact a derivative of Turkish language. You will see commonality, many words used in Urdu have in fact borrowed from Turkish language. We are Muslim, alhamdulillah, both the countries. We share historical, like when, if you remember, you can recollect, there was a Khilafat movement in Indo-Pak at the time when the Khilafat was under attack by the world power, when the Treaty of Versailles was struck after World War I. Anyhow, having said so, I will say a few words in Urdu for the understanding of the common Pakistani people. Thank you, you both, and thank you to your firm, and I wish we also Pakistanis have a firm or a manufacturer like you, like yours in Turkey as well. Mohteram Khawateen wa Hazrat, jo mere khan angrezi mein firm, and I wish we also Pakistanis have a firm or a manufacturer like you, like yours in Turkey as well. Mohteram Khawateen wa Hazrat, jo mere khan angrezi mein